Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload. If you are a returning subscriber, you guys are all. I love you guys. So in today's video, I do have a haul. So let's go ahead and get started. These are like really teeny tiny mushrooms. I have one of my 3XL nails by AliExpress here. It fits really good on one of those nails. But they're so cute and they come in all different colors. Has like this little hook for like a necklace or earrings, and all you do is take your needle nose and just turn it and pull it right out. It literally just comes right out. Easy peasy breezy cover girl. I got two of these because why not? You get the beautiful like blue pearl, you get the white pearl, you get the AB pearl, you get the colorful ones, gunmetal gray, and they all have a gold outline. All right guys, so the next thing I got were these cute little ice cream cones. The first three here I don't have, so I wanted to go ahead and get these. And then these two I got a while back on AliExpress, and I think I showed them in my last haul video, but you get two each, so that's like a 3X there. But you see, it fits great. So these, I thought these were really cute, and it fits the 3X nail just perfect. So I got some of these. These also have that little ring there, and all you would do, I actually have this one started. You just twist and pull out. We've got a little chunky charm. I got these. Look at how cute. This one right here kind of looks like a mermaid shell. But look how adorable. You get 5 different flowers, and you get 2 each. There you go. How cute is that? Got a couple more items from AliExpress. I got some similar to this in my last haul, or I showed some similar to this one in my last haul video. They're like the opal color, but they come to like a point, like purple, pink, blue, teal. They had this really gorgeous like orangey pink coral, duh. And then I really liked this dark teal color. You don't get very many, which kind of sucks. I got these ones. This one came with a lot of different colors as well. Like the teal, the orange, the coral, the white, the dark blue. Look at that, it's gorgeous. So I will link them below as usual. Okay, so I went on Instagram and I saw so many ladies taking their nail pictures with really cool funky rings. And when I looked up the websites that these rings were under on Instagram, oh my freaking gosh. I wanted like $80 for like a 5 set of rings. I said, hell no, I ain't paying that shit. So I went on SHEIN and typed in DIY rings, and guess what, you guys? Look at all these rings that I got. Did get some nail art. I got these rock. I figured these would be good for my zodiac nails. Came with like your amethyst, crystal quartz. I don't know, there's a bunch of different ones in here. What am I gonna do with all these rings? Look at all those rings. I got 2 more of the spinners. You get 5 each. So I got 10 of those. I got these that everybody's getting, these cute little flowers. And one of them has like a bow in it too. That one right there has like one little bow. I don't know what happened with that, but yeah. They're cute, they're springy, summery. I thought, why not? I really like them. Then I grabbed these. These are in the craft area. And I've used something like this on a nail set before. I'll go ahead and pop that nail look up on the screen. Now, a lot of people didn't see that video. I don't know what happened with that. But if you guys are interested, I'll link it in my description box. You can go check it out. Got some of these, and these are also like in the DIY area. And what I thought I could do is use them just as they are, letters, but I can cut off the little, you know, the little hook, just like I would do with like those Walmart buttons. All you gotta do is just take it and clip it, and it comes literally right off. And then you have some cute summer and spring letters, all different colors, and they do fit on a natural nail. Yeah, I bought some little tassels. These I thought were small enough to dangle off like a large nail, like a 10XL or like a 5XL. Put your little O-ring in there, hook it onto the edge of the nail. I thought, why not? And it feels like they're made out of leather. I think this is like leather tassel. Fake leather, probably. I don't know, but they're cute and they come in a variety of colors. All right, last but not least, I have a couple Eno Couture items that I had to repurchase, and I do have a bone to pick, and I'm gonna pick that bone and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. Okay, so I did get another watermelon slip solution. This stuff is freaking awesome. I know it's cheaper to go buy isopropyl alcohol, but I just love using this. I just love it. It smells amazing. It just, I don't know, guys, it's just wonderful. If you've not tried it, go try it. Friend Patty, she actually bought me 2 brand new Dom Thick Daddy top coats. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much. Love you, love you, love you. I did get another Wonder Gel. This is like a regular no wipe. I love this stuff too. And yeah, just, God, can you just admire the bottles? Eno Couture is the mother freaking bomb. I also got another DIY gel because I've been using my other DIY as a rhinestone gel. And then I broke down and I bought the It's Neon collection. It's under the BB Ombre gel collections. It is summer. Y'all need some neons in your life. I'm telling you. You've got to have neon in your life. You have to. If you don't, you're living under a rock. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. So here we are. Starting with, or do I have them? I don't have them in order. I don't have them in order, but this is the entire collection right here. 2 coats. So this is the bottle. Of course, it looks antique-ish, right? It's got the little swatch right there. Look how pretty. I just love them. And they do say BB Ombre Gel. They do have the number on the bottom as well with the ingredients. So I also ordered the City Coffin nail tips. I did this because my daughters like the short nails. There's another reason though. So I just want to quickly show you what they look like because I know a lot of you like the shorter nails. These again are the City Coffin. They are new. They came out, I don't know, a month or so ago. They are pre-etched. This is the size 0, okay? As you can tell, it is a short miniature coffin nail. Now, this one would belong to some of you. I know that. Okay, but it does just about fit my thumbnail. This is the 0. That's what they look like. They're really cute. I have 2 sets that I did on my daughter. I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to pop those on the screen. The French is actually hand done by me. I didn't use any French guides. That is my youngest daughter. That we used 1 coat of the A Pink 001, and that's what I have on my nails. But I only used 1 coat on her. Okay, and then the next picture I'm going to post is my oldest daughter, and that color I believe is by the Nail Addict, Nail Reserve. Then I also got the Sport Length, and I use these on a set coming up very soon. So they're not pre-etched, but that is the 0. These are actually larger. They are very big, okay? As you can see, they go over quite a bit over my thumb. And they're short. They're really short. Let me show you. Or not short. But I thought the Sport Length was shorter, but I guess not. So anyway, there you have it. The City Coffin and the Sport Length by Eno Couture, and that is what they're called on his website. Here's my bone, you guys. So y'all know that I have been mixing it up, and on a few of the videos I will do short nails on one hand and long nails on the other. Well, of course the long nails are going to be Eno Couture. I had actually forgot that I had these Sport Lengths, or I'd have been using them the whole time. Instead, y'all know I was using the BT Art Box false nails, right? I reviewed it. I liked it. They're ABS plastic, but they work great. But you know what? They only liked the very first set I did for the review. I've tagged them in every set that I've done, and they haven't liked 1 video of my, or they haven't even liked 1 post. So you know what? They can kiss my you know what. And I've even emailed them asking them if they wanted me to review more nails. Nope, nothing. So you know what? These are going in the garbage. Sorry, not sorry. So that is it for the video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite item? Comment down below. Sending you guys lots of love and light. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.